Katrina. In this video, I am going to be testing out the Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. If you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys a quick look. I might do a voiceover, or I might just leave it as this because it's pretty simple. It's pretty easy to follow without explaining. Stay tuned to the end of the video after the tutorial because I will be giving you some of my thoughts on this palette. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so it's notified when I upload. If you want to see how I got this look, keep watching and make sure to stay after the tutorial to hear my thoughts about this palette.
I'm not a piece of trash, I'm not what you want. You're always without me, telling lies, everyone. I want to go my way, you should go your way, your way. You should go. Sorry, honey, I took a decision. I do not want your negative reasons. Hey, 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 I don't want them. Hey, 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 I wanna be you. May we live, oh, baby, no. I wanna be you, oh, baby, no. I'm not a piece of trash, I'm not what you want. You're always without me, telling lies, everyone. I want to go my way, you should go your way, your way. You should go. Sorry, honey, I took a decision. I do not want your negative reasons. Hey, 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 I don't want them. Hey, 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 I wanna be you. Live with a live, oh, baby, no. I wanna be you, oh, baby, no. I don't wanna be you, oh,
So yeah, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I just wanted to do something really simple just to kind of test out some of the shadows and see how they apply and everything. I did play around with it a little bit. It definitely is messy around here. I tried to wipe it, but it doesn't come out like super clean. I don't know, maybe I have to use, I just use like a makeup wipe. I don't know, maybe you have to use something else, but it is a little bit messy, but I guess that's okay. I'm not gonna lie, I was originally planning to do a color with a lot of these like berry colors, but I don't know, it just wasn't working out. I feel like they weren't, I don't know, maybe it was me. I feel like they weren't blending too good. But yeah, I don't know, I just decided to stick with something really simple and easy and neutral-ish. I believe I pay after shipping, I paid $41 or $42. I'm not sure. I'll put the price right here or in the description below. want to say I don't like this palette. I don't know why. Maybe like I expected more out of the quality, even though the quality is good. But I feel like a lot of the colors, not a lot, but some of the colors, like these three right here, I feel like they're a little bit similar. These two here are a little bit similar. So yeah, also another thing this palette is missing for me is like a pop of highlight. When I saw this one, this color right here, I don't know if my light is too bright, but I'm trying to get, okay, this color right here, when you look at it, like I thought like, oh my god, that's gonna be such a pretty like pop of highlight color, but when you kind of put it on your finger, trying to, hold on. See, when you put it on your finger, it has like a almost iridescent pinky purple color. So it just kind of looks like pinky purple and it doesn't really give you a highlight. So yeah, for me, at least for my skin color, there's no highlight, like pop of highlights I can put in my tear duct. If I'm gonna be honest, I'll probably only be using like these top 2 rows. But again, I am trying to experiment more with different looks. I'm going to try to show you guys some looks using this one, but definitely in the next coming weeks you will see a couple looks with these top 2 rows. I actually don't own the original Jaclyn Hill palette. I know. I have the James Charles one, so I feel like that one has a lot of colors for me, so I feel like I didn't need to buy the Jaclyn Hill one, but I know that one is like iconic and everyone says it's amazing. So I don't know, maybe I'll purchase it, or maybe I should have purchased that one first. But yeah, I don't know. I have to play with it a little bit more to see, but these are my thoughts so far on this palette. I mean, it's beautiful to look at, and you know, if you're a fan of, obviously you're gonna purchase something of hers. I wouldn't say this palette is 100% necessary to buy, but I mean, for the price, I mean, I guess it's not that bad. But yeah, those are my honest thoughts. What do you guys think? What do you guys think about the look? If you have the palette and you've tried it, how was your experience? I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I'd like to know what you guys think if you've used it. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you guys could hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.